Hello everyone, welcome to S2S classes. Today we'll study the chapter Where to Look From. Before starting this, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. So starting off with the chapter Where to Look From. Our teacher told us to draw a picture of a car. We all drew the car differently. Next day, when we showed our pictures to each other, we were very excited. But Anshul started laughing. He was looking at Dheeraj's drawing of a car. Anshul said, "It looks like a small box kept in a bigger one." Then Anshul showed his drawings to Dheeraj. Both of them drew the picture of the same car, but drawings look different. Dheeraj said he had looked at the car from the terrace. Do you think his funny drawing is right? Okay, so this is the drawing of Dheeraj that he made. Do you think it is right? I guess it is right because he saw the car from top. Have you looked at things from different sides? Do they look the same or different? So over here you can see there are two drawings of a table. This one is of top view and this is from the side view. Okay, so look at the pictures drawn here. How does the table look from the side and which picture is from the top? So over here we can clearly see some pictures are drawn below. Imagine how these will look if seen from the top. So over here you can see this is the top view of the pressure cooker. This is the top view of the slipper. This is the top view of the star fruit, and then this is the top view of the shelf. Okay, so we'll move ahead. There's a practice time. A cat is peeping into a classroom. Can you help her find out where the teacher is? Okay, so clearly the teacher is over here. Now here are some pictures. Find out from where you have to look to see the things this way. So if you want to see the staircase this way, then you need to see it from side. Okay, so for first one we have to view it from side. Then second we have, if we want to see the staircase like this, then we have to see it from the top for this one. Then if we talk about the third one, this is the top view of a table. If we talk about the chair, fourth one, this is side view. Then again we have the pencil, which is viewed from the top, and then we have the bus, which is the side view of the bus. Now draw a top view of few things and ask your friends to guess what they are. Okay, so you can try this activity on your own with your friends. Now next, rangoli. Have you ever made a rangoli? My friend Meenakshi makes beautiful floor patterns. I am Meenakshi. I belong to Tamil Nadu. We make column patterns every morning. They are made by using dots. Okay, so these patterns that you can see here, they all are made using dots. Okay, so all these patterns are made using dots. You can also try and use the dots given below to make patterns. Two examples have been given for you. Okay, so you can also use these dots. Like I'll do one for example. Okay, you can make different triangular shapes like this. Just like I'm drawing. Okay, and then make certain rounds. So this is one pattern. In a similar manner you can make more patterns. Make other patterns yourself. Copy these shapes on the dot grid. Note that some lines in the shapes are straight and some are not. Okay, so we need to copy these shapes. Starting off, I'll copy a few of them for you, then you can try the rest on your own. Okay, so this is one shape that we have copied. Then next we can copy one more, which is over here. Okay, so it is not necessary that all lines will be straight. There can be curved lines also. So one more we have copied. So in a similar manner you can copy all of these. So use the dot grid given below to draw your own design and shapes. So we can use this dot grid for our own designs. So I'll draw one design for you and you can use your creativity on your own. Okay, just a moment. Okay, so in this manner you can make many designs of your own. Just be creative and make new designs. So moving ahead, complete these figures to make squares and rectangles. Okay, so we'll complete these figures like this. This is one. Over here again. So in this manner we can complete all these figures to form squares and rectangles. Okay, so now we will move ahead. On the dot grid given below, draw the following: a kite. So to draw a kite, it can be something like this. So this is a kite. Then a leaf. So we can draw a leaf like this. Okay, so this is a leaf. Then a flower. A flower can be drawn like this. Okay, so you can draw a flower like this. And in the similar manner you can draw other drawings also. So moving ahead, tit for tat. Okay, one day Amina met a painter. Can you paint my picture? Yes, sure. I charge rupees 200 for it. After a while the painter showed her the picture. Amina, how do you like it? But this is only half. The other half is exactly the same. So just put a mirror to get the complete picture. Now can I have my money? Amina gave him a 100 rupee note. But this is only half the money. The other half is exactly the same. So just put a mirror next to the note and you'll get the full money. Ha ha. So Amina did not get tricked by the painter and she acted wisely. Okay. Now the painter had made many such drawings in which he drew only one half of the things. Draw the other half of these pictures and find out what these things are. Okay, try doing it with a mirror. So you can place a mirror over here like this, and then you can draw the rest of the drawing in all the cases. Okay, so just put a mirror and try drawing the rest of the drawing. Okay, it will be similar just like over here. Now you know this is a diya. So in a similar manner you can complete all the drawings. Now can we repeat the painter's trick while drawing pictures of the following? Okay, so if you try that trick on these pictures like the cup or the caterpillar or the flag, okay, so you won't be able to do this. So if you ask the painter to draw things which cannot be divided into two similar mirror halves, then he cannot play the trick. Draw three more such things which do not have similar halves. Okay, so maybe you can draw a tree which is like this. So it won't have any similar half. Or maybe clouds also don't have any similar half. So in a similar manner you can draw more such things, maybe a dog. So mirror halves. Look at the following pictures given below. Does the dotted line divide the picture into two similar halves? Okay, so yes, in the first picture it is being divided, the second picture also it is being divided, but in the third picture it is not being divided. Now we talk about the fourth picture. If we put a mirror, we won't get the same. You can use a mirror for this. Okay, in this also it is getting divided, not over here. It is getting divided over here. Similarly over here also, not over here, not over here. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so in this manner you can try. Okay, and you can make some more examples of your own also. Okay, now use a dotted line. Can you divide the following pictures into two similar halves? Okay, so I'll help you out. If you draw a dotted line at the center, over here also at the center, then in 8 the dotted line can be the sleeping line. The scissor also it can be like this, and button also you can draw it like this also, a sleeping line also. But it is not possible in this kettle. But a pencil you can divide like this, not possible in a cup. The crown we can divide like this. The dress also we can divide like this. The bell can also be divided, but the floppy cannot be divided because there is this pattern which won't be there. The airplane can be divided, but this screw jack won't be divided because the length of both these sides are different. Number 2 is also not possible to divide, but these glasses can be divided. This briefcase can also be divided. The iron cannot be divided, and the umbrella can also not be divided, and the clock can also not be divided because these hands won't be at the correct position. Now moving ahead, can you guess these letters from their halves? So if we see, this seems to be A, this seems to be C, then a B. If you see, if you complete it like this, you'll get a B over here, right? If you see over here, if you make it like this, it can be X, B. Then if you complete this one, it can be U. We finish off this one, it is H. Okay, so in this manner you can complete these and get to know which letter do they form. Okay, so we'll move ahead now. Using such letters we can also make words which have similar halves. Okay, so if we complete these words, this is H, then an O, followed by a W, and the word is how. Then we again have a W, A, and X, which forms wax. Okay, so in similar manner you can complete these words also, like this is D, I, C, E, which forms the word dice. Okay, this one word I'm leaving for you. You can try it on your own. Now next we have is making a mask. Now I can teach you how to make the mask of a cat. Take a piece of paper, fold it along the middle. On one side draw the figure which is shown over here. You can draw this figure. Cut it using a pair of scissors. Now open the mask and make the eyes, nose, etc. Color it and tie a rubber band on its back. Now your mask is ready. Okay, so clearly we made only half the drawing and we were able to get the whole mask. Okay, so we made a mirror image of the face of the cat and then we were able to get the whole face. So with this we have come to an end to this chapter. Thank you everyone. Hope you like this videos. For more such videos, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.